right? As for the concept continuation of the chapter continuity. Okay, we wrote definition and some properties or what you call say observations, and then based on limits, means using limits definition we got continuity definition. In this limits we wrote left limit, right limit. After that special functions means modulus function, step function means GIF, and then signal function. Then using left hand limit, therefore left continuity, right continuity. Next, to do the problems we need standard results or standard limits, standard forms of limits. Some list of results we wrote. There is one more result, maybe that it is because of differentiation, but we are using in limits continuity only. Actually order is after continuity concept differentiation will come, derivatives. But that derivatives we are using in continuity only. It is no reason object level questions we are doing. What kind of ideas or what methods you apply in material. Getting answer is important. So it is not a problem that you are using differentiating continuity. You can do that. So that last one more result in the list of forms we will write, then we will continue problems. Now, before we write one property here, that is a function y is equal to f of x is continuous in the interval AB. What is interval I wrote here? Ordinary brackets, open interval. If it is continuous at every value x in or between A and B, between only. You cannot start with A, you cannot end with B, because we already started above open interval. End gates are not there. If a function is continuous at every point of x in the interval, therefore it is continuous. How you can explain graphically that A is not there, dotted line. B is not there, dotted line. Indicates does not exist. In between, we draw curve continuously, not like a gap in this way. Completely continuous. Then we say it is continuous in the interval. Okay? Graphical clarity. Next, if at A I want to discuss at A and B, but if you want to do at A, you don't know left side of A. Who is there? Right side A only we are possible. Similarly, left side of B possible, after B nobody knows. Right side not possible. Therefore, we will write here if fx is continuous to the right side of A, what is meaning? Limit x tends to, in brackets also I will give you, limit x tends to a plus f of x must be f of a. In the beginning already we wrote left continuity definition, right continuity working rule or definition we wrote. This is called right side continuity of a. Similarly, f of x is continuous to the b, left side of b. What is its definition rule? X tends to b minus f of x must be f of b. Therefore, then already we have above at every value between a b continuous, right side of a continuous, left side of b continuous. Finally, what we say? Therefore, fx is continuous in the closed interval ab. This is what? Between a and b, also at a and b. What is that called? Closed interval. That is why remember hereafter conclusion is any function we will deal the continuity in the closed interval, whereas differentiability in the open interval. Because of these two results or properties only we have theorem statements. Later, mean value theorems, how you get a function is continuous in the closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB. Differentiability not necessarily closed. That is the factor here. So I gave you the difference between the continuity of open interval and continuity of closed interval. Now, as per this, how you will trace the curve? Full line, complete line indicates including. Okay, this is called continuity in the closed interval. Anyway, now we are writing one last result for standard forms of limits, which is very powerful in this chapter. Very powerful, I say reason, you can get the answer very quickly because it is objective level. That method is called, now we are writing, indeterminate forms. This is very useful, powerful tool, very effective. How much effective? Read the question, get the answer. Okay, that we are writing now. That is the reason this is very useful. Indeterminate, why we can call it? Whenever you are finding limits, you are not getting answer. Not getting answer does not imply it may be that you are not getting solution. Now I am writing, if limit x tends to a, okay, fx by dx is not getting answer, meaningless answer, indeterminate form, 0 by 0, or sometimes infinity by infinity, then we will not leave this as such. Therefore, then x tends to a, f of x by g of x is the same as its differentiation, f dash x by g dash x. Derivatives. Now we are writing derivative in continuity. It is for the decision making. Okay? Such type of rule is given by doctor scientist L. Hospital. Okay? That is the reason this is called L. Hospital's rule. The name is not originally spelled L. Hospital. It must be in a different way. But we are calling that L. Hospital's rule. This is very useful. Maximum problems you will get in this way. Whenever you are getting these two cases, Write down derivatives individually, numerator, denominator, not u by v rule separately and get the answers. Still if you get here the same again, continue the process of differentiation until you get finite value. Here a can be any positive means 0, 1 or anything. This is about very useful formula. Second one I will give you, also very useful. If limit x tends to a, fx power gx. Whenever you have function power function, very standard problem. It comes normally in mains and other exams. Mains, KVPY. KVPY, very standard exam. Okay. Here, fx power gx, function power function. In this case, if the answer is in the form of 1 power infinity, you cannot say value. 1 power infinity is not like any defined value. Then only, then limit x tends to a, fx power gx is equal to e power x tends to a, g of x multiplied by very powerful result. Okay, very powerful result. Next answer only. Notice that you are getting 1 power infinity. Yeah? Very happy. Write down this. You can see ABCD immediately. That impact is there. Too much, very fast. Okay. You are very slow, but formula is very fast. Okay. Therefore, you will get the answer immediately. How it is very fast, simple. One example I will show you. That is also our formula only. How it is very powerful, I will show you one example also, which we wrote last class. Limit x tends to 0. Okay, we wrote this already. Answer E. This answer I gave you as a formula. This answer you will get. How you will get? Observe first. X equal to 0. 1 plus 0. 1 by 0. What is this? Then this is also equal to e power x tends to 0. What is g of x? 1 by x. Into what is f of x? Base. Minus 1 is there. Next I will not write anything. You know the answer. Okay. What is that? You know the answer. I gave gap. 1 cancel. Next x cancel. Therefore, you are not cancelled. You are there. Okay. What is the answer now? Or this already you know this standard result, but this type of model how I gave you, any other problem if you are not able to find the answer, only you observe that it is 1 power infinity, apply this rule. Compulsory you will get answers. Like that there are so many problems. That is the reason indeterminate forms many are there. 7-8 forms are there which we use normally in CET up to mains little bit. Maximum CET only. This will come maximum. This is also very useful. That is the reason I gave only these two. Remaining now I am not writing. Okay. Indeterminate forms all I am not writing. Next. Based on this, all of you start with your problems from this book. Already you all got your books with you. If you see in this book, material is there. Continuity. Yes. Continuity. 3 levels given. Don't think you will do all the levels. For CET level 1, to some extent level 2 also, if you practice, you will be safe side. Whereas all IIT students, other national level exams preparing, compulsory level 3 also they have to do. See here, some concept level problems are there. I write here the first question, which already we wrote during synopsis. What is here concept level problems he is giving? Concept based questions means theoretical questions. First question is mod x is continuous. Mod x is continuous. Yet, very good. Options everywhere. At x equal to 0 only. Open 1 to infinity only. Minus infinity to 1 only. These are the options. Already we wrote during synopsis. This is one sample. How they will ask concept level questions means sample question. Not very difficult. Mod x is continuous. What is mod x graph? When x is positive, when x is negative, when x is 0, there is no objection while tracing the curve. There is no gap in between like this. We are able to trace the curve continuously for all the values. What are all the values on x-axis? Positive, negative, also 0. These x values we want. Domain. What are the values of x? All the values we are able to. Okay. X is positive possible, negative possible, 0 also possible. What is implied? All is together called all real numbers only. Where is this type of answer in ABCD? This gives only one value. It gives positive values after 1. It is giving negative values up to 1, before 1. Then what is related answer? Everywhere. All real values. According to the correct and original answer, in ABCD related answer we have to select. Okay. So what is answer here? Mod x is continuous on R. Sometimes in ABCD, instead of writing R, they wrote everywhere. Then where it is discontinuous? Nowhere. Nobody is left out. Discontinuous nowhere. Okay? That is translation. Next. SGN of x. Second question is SGN of x is discontinuous. You should be careful with statement whether they are asking continuous or discontinuous at x equal to. He is writing everywhere of x at 0, 1 to infinity, minus infinity to 1. Okay. This is your second question. Already you know the graph. Only graph will give answer. What is the graph which we know that when x is positive, y value 1 but not 0. For that small circle. When x is negative, y value minus 1 but not y value on y axis. It will not touch. How to say it will not touch? Small circle. Nowhere I am giving 0. We are not defining x0. x0 is not in the domain. Okay. 0 is not in the domain. 0 is not in continuity. Therefore it is in discontinuity. If it is inside the house, okay. Not inside the house, outside the house. What is that outside here? He is asking discontinuity, not continuity. Okay. Everywhere not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Finally, what is remaining? Answer is this. We know from graph only. So it is discontinuous at 0. If not, where it is continuous? Positive, negative, but not 0. Continuity, how to write answer in two different languages? All real numbers but not 0. Minus infinity to 0, open interval 0 to infinity. Both are same. Story is same only. Okay. Shooting cinema is different. Finally, story is same. Both are same. This is about answer related to continuity. But here he is asking discontinuity. That is why you are careful to give the answer for the statement. This is also another sample model for concept based. Another one. Third problem. Step of x is continuous at r minus z. Z n capital W. What is this set representations we know generally? Okay, this is for whole numbers, integers, natural numbers, r minus z, real numbers minus integers, rational. Set of all real numbers except integers, that's for rational numbers. Okay, that is for ABCD. What is already we know the property here? Between 1 and 2, what is graph of step 2? But not 1. 1 but not 2. Later, 2 but not 3. What is implied? For every rational number, graph is continuous. At integers, graph does not exist. It is discontinuous. So, discontinuous at integers, continuous except integers. Except integer, where is the answer? Okay, so all real numbers minus z. This also we already got graph in PUC level also, we know this. Okay. In PUC also, we did this many times. Not big issue. Easy to write answer. Greatest integer function is continuous at rationals. Okay. Discontinuous at integers. Now, fourth one also graphical. Here he is writing this designer. What is this designer? Simply design. Already they gave in brackets also. These symbols are for fractional part of x. This is called fractional part of x. Here I will give you one point. One just point I will write better. Later also it is very useful in all the remaining topics of calculus. In the integration, definite integrals, particularly definite integrals, areas everywhere. This symbol will come again. Every real number x can be written as x is equal to integer plus fraction. You know, in simple language, integer means 1, 2, 3, 4. Fraction means decimal point. Decimal, what is meaning? Strictly between 0 and 1 only. Not more than 1 or not negative. Therefore, example 3 plus 0.2. function is denoted by in this way. Therefore, this I will write in the square brackets. Then, how to write fractional part in symbolic form? This is your notation. Okay? This is the result in calculus. Therefore, from this, fractional part of x can be written as x minus the integer part of x only. Simple. 3.2 equal to this I wrote. Then what is 0.2 value? 3.2 minus 3 only. Very easy. This is what he is asking. I will give you graph here. Okay? What is graph of this fractional part of x? See. 1, 2. 1.1 element. What is their image? 0.1. Fractionally. Fraction. 1.2. 0.2. 1.3. 0.3. 1.9. 0.9. 1.0. 0 only. 1. Therefore, 1 will start 1 only. If you consider up to 1.1, 0.1. So I have value like this. 1.2, 0.2. Like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this. What is observation you are getting? A straight line like this. Is it starting with 1? Yes, starting with 1. It is exactly starting with 1. That is why touching 1 I started with curve. Is it ending with 2? No, don't ask 2. 1.9 is 0.9. That means at 2 I will not give you graph. Is it crossing 1? No, nobody will cross 1 lifelong. For that, how to say? Draw the margin, border at 1 first only. Safe side, dotted line does not exist. So it is continuous at all rational numbers, discontinuous at integers, same like GIF. Hence, what is the answer here? He is asking discontinuous. Everywhere, integer, natural number, this one. Discontinuous. Okay, continuous at all, rational. Therefore, answer. This is called graph of fractional part of x. Like this. At 2, 3, 4. It will go like that. Okay? So, next class we are starting ordinary problems. Level 1. Basic level problems. Just to revise limits results. If any extra result we need, I will give you. We will continue problems. Okay? Enough today.